In this lesson, we are going to talk about how LangSmith solves the challenges in the prototyping phase. So first, we are going to talk it briefly in these slides, and then we will go into a deeper mode in the next more practical video. So remember, now we are focusing on how LangSmith help the LLM app development teams to solve these four main challenges in the prototyping phase. Remember the challenges: how to identify what is failing, how to iterate and experiment, how to compare the performance of different versions, and how to test the performance of a prototype. Regarding the first challenge, we are going to see this in detail in the next video, but how LangChain help us in this particular challenge? So you just need to have LangSmith tracing enabled since the day one of the development of a new LLM application. And if you do that, you will have a way to identify what is failing at any moment. So we will talk about this in more detail in the next video. Second challenge, iterate and experiment. How do we solve this challenge? We will talk about this in detail. Now I just want to highlight it. We will use LangSmith Playground to iterate and experiment. We will see what is the LangSmith Playground and how we use it later. Next challenge, how to compare performance between different prototyping versions. How we solve this challenge. We will use LangSmith comparison view to compare the performance of alternative approaches. And fourth, how do we evaluate the performance of our prototype? We will use LangSmith to create a test dataset which is going to help us on evaluation. Okay, so in the next practical video, we are going to see in detail how LangSmith help us solve the challenges in the different stages. And well, in fact, we are going to talk about how LangSmith solves the challenges in the prototyping phase. And once we finish that in the practical video, we will go to the next lesson, which is how LangSmith solves the challenges in the beta testing phase. But first, let's go to the practical video.